Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the easiest method to make a vegetable soup, also known as Edikang soup. This is one of the most popular Nigerian soup that you need to add to your menu. Now, let me show you how to make it. These are the list of ingredients that you need. For the proteins, you need goat meat, cow skin, stockfish head that is already washed with hot water, and then the dry fish. I have my ugu leaf already thinly chopped, then the water leaf, and finally the Uziza leaf. For the spices, I have a tablespoon of salt, Ogiri okpei, and 4 Knorr seasoning cubes. Here is some fresh peppers, some chopped onions, and a good quantity of palm oil. This is very necessary. To start, in a pot, I'll add the goat meat, then the chopped onions, salt to taste, 2 Knorr seasoning cubes, some blended peppers. Mix this well to combine. Then go in with the stockfish head. Cover and let this steam in its own juice for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, look at all the juice it has released. I'll go in with the cow skin now because mine is soft. You can add yours at the beginning if it feels a bit strong. I'll give this a good mix, add a cup of water, cover and cook until the meat is tender. "20 minutes later, the protein is 80% cooked. If you look closely, you'll see that the meat stock is almost dried up. This is because the soup doesn't require much water, so I'll set that aside. In a separate pot, I'll add in the palm oil. Vegetable soup trends in oil, so make sure to add generously. After that, I'll allow the oil to heat up a little bit. Next, I'll add the chopped onions, a pinch of salt, and 2 Knorr seasoning cubes. I'll give this a very good mix to incorporate, then go in with the pepper mix. This is a combination of peppers and onions. You can add red bell peppers if it's available too. Mix well to combine and allow this to fry for 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, as you can see, the mixture is already dried up. Next, I'll add the washed dry fish. Then, I will also add the proteins at this point. Mix everything together to incorporate. Next, I added the Ogiri okpei that I dissolved in water. Stir well to combine. Cover and continue cooking. At this point, everything is well cooked together, so it's time to add the vegetables. First, I'll go in with the water leaves. After adding the water leaves, the next is the Uziza leaves. I'll give this a good mix. Cover and cook for extra 1 minute. Wow, can you see what our pot of soup is looking like at this point? This right here is the major reason why you don't need to add water to your vegetable soup, because the vegetable contains a lot of water already. So I'll go ahead to add the ground crayfish. After that, I'll go in with the ugu leaf. This is the real deal. If you want your vegetable soup to become more compact and well incorporated together, you need to squeeze the ugu leaf just as I'm doing here. It gives it this lovely texture you'll be so grateful for. If you watched up to this point and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know anytime I upload an amazing recipe just like the one you're watching. We are done squeezing the ugu leaf into the pot of soup. Next, I'll give this a really good mix. Cook for extra 1 minute and our vegetable soup is ready. Can you see the final results? I hope you love what you see, and I hope you give this vegetable soup recipe a try out too. If you're an OG here, you can already tell that my favorite swallow is fufu. So I served this delicious vegetable soup with fufu and it tasted so good. I hope you give this a trial and I bet you will love every bit of it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one.